So welcome back to another Young Blooms tutorial. This one is not anything of great wisdom, but just wanted to share and hopefully inspire you. So Sunday afternoon, Katie and I, who works with me on bigger projects, got together. We've been growing flowers and we wanted to celebrate the sort of last of the dahlias. So we built this little installation. So this is just done on my workshop table. So this is built on my workshop table. The sun's shining, which is always helpful. It is built on moss, you can see, but also got some aluminium netting underneath. So I will give you a sneak peek, hopefully. So it's built on aluminium netting here, you can see it just under the moss. So essentially this stuff is lovely. You can poke holes in it just with a pair of scissors, and it's very malleable, very kind of mouldable, and so we poked these dahlias in to create this carpet of colour, which is rather beautiful and looks even more beautiful in the sunshine, I think. Just lovely to see. And I think the reason we did this is we like doing projects that just are something that's a bit different, something that is a bit sort of out of the box, and something that will inspire us to go further with ideas, something that is not sort of, you know, mainstream. But something like this, I think the idea for me, if I carry this idea on, we were talking about it yesterday, was the fact that you could put candlesticks in. We've got some old vintage candlesticks, and actually you could space them out on this and it would make a wonderful table centre. So, you know, how do you push this idea on? Well, it becomes a table runner, because we originally thought about putting it on the wall, but when we did, it kind of semi-collapsed, so it wasn't so great. But just wanted to share this, just wanted you to see it, and just wanted to encourage that in these delightfully weird times that we're having, that there is still possibility for creativity, there's still possibility to try different stuff, even if it is in your own home. You know, this was made yesterday and it's still, I mean, the bigger dahlias are flopping, you can kind of see there, they're sort of bending in on themselves. But the colours are just, you know, they're gorgeous. I'll come up this end and then you can see. So there you go, you can see the colours this end now. We spent time colour grading it, just so you got the full effect, but this is it from this end. So yeah, just a really lovely little project. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, the link is in on the Young Blooms Floristry School profile page on YouTube, so feel free to follow us on Instagram. And you can see a close-up of this in the stories. But just to encourage you that it's worth taking the time. This probably took us, I don't know, an hour and a half just to fiddle around and have a play. So it's worth doing it. You know, it's worth experimenting with new stuff and new ideas. And then out of that, you never know what might come. So I hope this is a little bit helpful. Just a short one. And as always, thank you to new subscribers, thank you for comments, for likes, really appreciate it, and if you haven't already, do subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.